It's been a challenging time in the world, and UT is no exception.
I sat down with a man confident he can lead the university in the right direction, Dr. Gregory Postel, the new president of the University of Toledo. Dr. Postel, while vaccinated, insisted on a mask-on interview because I haven't gotten the vaccine. He says he takes the pandemic seriously, but believes the worst is behind us. Dr. Postel has been put in charge of the university during a challenging time. The global pandemic continues, school staff are out of work, and the medical center is still losing money. Yet the president's outlook for the university is hopeful, and he has a plan on how to get the university back on track, starting with coronavirus.
So now, as the disease is less prevalent and more people are being vaccinated, we are able to start doing things a little more like we used to, but we still can't call it normal.
That means testing and masks will continue into the fall, but we can expect an almost complete return to campus. For UT faculty and staff who have seen pay cuts, furloughs, and layoffs during the pandemic, Dr. Postel says relief is being provided with state and federal stimulus money.
We've been very careful how we're using those, but a lot of those dollars have been used to get people back to work. There are very few people on furlough today compared to what perhaps was the case a year ago.
Dr. Postel's also making changes in other areas. There's been much debate on what to do with UTMC, the university's money-hemorrhaging medical center, but Dr. Postel says he sees it as a community asset and will not have it sold.
We're fully committed to it. We're in the process of putting in a new electronic health record. We're hiring nurses, we're hiring doctors. Our quality ratings are going way up. And so there's still a lot of work to be done, but the future is bright over there.
Dr. Postel describes his own plans for the university as ambitious, calling not only for the university to grow, but also to strike a balance between the needs of students and the community. Whether he strikes that balance will only be determined with time. You can find my entire conversation with Dr. Postel, including discussions on preventing hazing incidents and protecting students of color, at ut10news.com.